Kaizen Automotive Consulting offers automotive dealerships a package called the RTC, which stands for Recruiting, Training, and Coaching. We wanted to know, what do actual salespeople who work with Christian say about his training and their experience with the one-on-one coaching?
So it got me in the mindset to be ready to do this professionally. Beginning training that we did got me pretty much introduced to what this lifestyle looks like, because this isn't really a job to me now. This is what I go home and think about too as well.
Made me almost more like excited to get out there than scared by the time I was towards the end. And the one-on-ones really helped kind of like drive it back in, things I might have forgotten or overlooked or didn't think of or at the time being. So it really helped reiterate things.
Christian Younggren, he's my word track sensei. Real good guy. He's really shown me that, with objections, you can have the ability to overcome those.
Just so we have things to say out there when we're getting stuck. Otherwise, I would have really had no idea. I would have been running for a manager every day.
The one-on-one training was my favorite because I got to ask questions that we wouldn't normally talk about in training. So I got to get the little tricks and recommendations that could set me apart from just the regular training that we're getting.
The one-on-ones help too because you can ask personal questions for you without everybody else kind of knowing.
If I didn't know these word tracks, or at least have something to reference, I wouldn't really have the right words to say to overcome that objection.
A mentor, someone to talk to, let them know what my issues are and help me work through it.
Good. Time more to focus on me and what maybe skills that he sees that I don't quite come across in the word tracks, and then it gives him the ability to be able to coach me.
Doing these one-on-ones has actually given me more confidence in talking to the customer.
Do you get some word tracks that you can actually use and that help you with customers?
I am using some word tracks. I use the market-based pricing.
When you did the market-based pricing, it showed me the 3 cards.
Main one is market-based pricing.
The just looking one is a big one. Just because that's probably what I get the most is, hey, I'm just looking.
Really what it comes down to is practice. Spaced repetition, and it's something he bred into me, and now I'm doing it every day. I do the same thing when I get here in the mornings. I go walk my lot, look at my trade-ins, look if there's anything new that I didn't catch the other night, start up a few things, put my hands on vehicles, and then repeat my word tracks.
I started as a salesman in the car business right after graduating from college in 1991. I worked my way up through the ranks like many of you, finance manager, sales manager, then general sales manager, all at the same dealership. After 20 years there, I made the decision to follow my true calling and help train others become world-class automotive car salespeople. In the end, all I want to do is be a solution to help improve the industry's image by helping sales departments develop their salespeople and develop their processes. Call me and let's see if we can figure this out and help each other.